Here we are in the month of August still, and fall migration for some of our songbirds is already underway. This neat little red-breasted nuthatch nested up in northern Minnesota, or possibly even Canada, but is already moving south for the winter. Some years we get large numbers of red-breasted nuthatches showing up here in northern Iowa during the winter season, especially when the pinecone crop or spruce cone crop fails up in the boreal forest, and this might be one of those years. We'll have to wait and see. So the red-breasted nuthatch is a migrant nuthatch. We do have a resident nuthatch that is here in northern Iowa year-round, the white-breasted nuthatch. So this year maybe we'll see both birds that are feeders at the same time. This lovely little arcigera flower moth looks like it has a soft flannel lining on its wings. And look at the pretty patterns there as well. These moths are found wherever asters grow, out in grassy areas. This one was found at Ludwig Prairie Preserve right here in Winneshiek County. Their caterpillars eat aster leaves and maybe even the flowers and seeds. Later in the fall, those caterpillars will crawl underground and overwinter there, pupating next spring and emerging as adults later next summer when the asters are about to bloom. So right now is the time to find the adults out on prairie areas. Be on the lookout for this marvelous little moth. This remarkable female giant ichneumon wasp measures about 7.5 inches long from the tips of her yellow antenna to the back end of her long skinny tail, otherwise known as an ovipositor that you see there. That means that she's just about the length of your hand. Luckily, she has no interest in stinging us. She stabs that long ovipositor into a tree trunk where the larva of a pigeon horntail, which is another type of wasp, is basically trying to survive by eating some of the tree material. But she lays her egg on that pigeon horntail larva, and upon hatching, the giant ichneumon wasp larva eats the pigeon horntail larva, pupates inside the tree over winter, and next summer, a female like this, or maybe a male, will emerge. By the way, the males are only about 1.5 inches long, and they are orange, so they look totally different.